We talked about icebreakers, cool downs, and energizers. We can now let's talk about the terms that we're going to use in our lesson plan, especially for Donut in demo, which is warm up and lead in. So what is the difference between a warm up and lead in? Well, first, both of them are activities that they can include a picture description, they can include a question, they can include a story, a song, a video, a game, whatever that you can think of. The only difference between them is that a warm-up is not related to the lesson, is not related to what you're going to teach today, and a lead-in is connected and related to the lesson you're going to teach. So for example, now let's say that your lesson is about disease, okay? So if you're doing a warm-up, you can be, telling the students, what happened to you last night, when you were watching TV with your mom and everything, and you can ask them to share with you what they did as well. A warm-up is very nice because it helps the students, get back to English and be in the right mood for the class, especially that if they were, a bit hungry, sleepy, they were thinking about, a lot of things. It helps them remember that they are in an English class in a very nice and smooth way. Of course, a lead-in would be something more connected to the lesson you're teaching. For example, if the lesson is about disease, you can tell the students a story about one of your friends you visited in the hospital, and he had a certain disease, and you tell them that you're sad, and anyone who has any disease or anyone who was sick, and the discussion would start talking about the same thing you're going to teach them.